You think there's any gold around here? Horsemumbler? Is there any gold around here?
Does top of the barrel cacti count?
Talking with famous people.
Hi friends, it's host Eric here, walking beside the man who mumbles at horses himself, the equine inarticulate speaker, Horsemumbler. We're here at Sabino Canyon Recreation Area. It's part of the Coronado National Forest, and I know why I'm here. I think Horsemumbler knows why he's here. We're here today to capture nature's beauty. I've brought a net and an elephant gun. I'm ready to capture it. Where do we go? How do we get to the outside part? Over here?
First we go there.
Oh, first we go to the bathroom?
Yeah.
Alright, well you can go to the bathroom. I'll stand out here. Would you look at all these cactuses? There's a lot of cacti around here. It's like I'm in Arizona or something. Look at all those cacti, huh? 7 falls, 4 miles. Do I have 4 miles in me? I don't think I have 4 miles in me. I probably do 1 mile. 4 miles is an 8-mile trip. This is a loop. Interestingly, Horsemumbler likes the same exact kind of pizza that I do that nobody else likes. I'm like, what do you want in your pizza? And he's like, well, you know, we can get something else, but I actually like pineapple and black olives. Like, no fucking way. That's exactly my favorite pizza. Pineapple and black olive. And I typically get pineapple and pepperoni because nobody likes pineapple and olive. That's Horsemumbler's pizza too, so that was kind of interesting. That's cool. I'm only wearing this hat for looks. It's not cold. But I think it looks cool. I just wanted a different hat than I had on yesterday, you know. Different shirt too, see? Same color, but different shirt. Okay. There he is. Over here, Horsemumbler. Now, here's my plan, okay? We're going to use our internal compass. Plus, remember, moss always grows on the north side of the tree. So if we get lost, look for mossy trees. You guys have mossy trees here, don't you? Probably not really.
Not really.
Well, that's authorized personnel only.
Like him.
We're not allowed to go there. We haven't been authorized.
We gotta go up in elevation, I think, for the mossy trees.
The authorizer. That's a good, that's a subsidiary of all licenses all the time. The authorizer can authorize you to enter places where only authorized people are allowed. Alright, you've been authorized for all employee-only sections of restaurants. You got a permanent authorization. If anybody gives you any grief, you say, hey, look at this, I'm authorized. I had one of these at my house one time. I went to the desert and picked it out of the desert, actually, in California. They're very pokey cactuses, though. They will stab the fuck out of you if you're not careful. Sabino Lake Trail, 0.5 miles. 7 Falls is 4 miles away. That's an 8-mile round trip hike to 7 Falls. That sounds like a little bit too long of a hike. I'm glad I wore boots today. That was smart of me.
If you want to...
I just want to like go that way. You know? We just go cross country.
Try.
Sure we can. Don't worry. I called ahead and asked Sacagawea to wait over here for us. She's gonna use her Indian tracking skills to find our way up over there. You know, she can put her ear to the ground and hear a buffalo that's 300 miles away. That doesn't really, it's not really a very useful skill. I mean, it doesn't really come in handy, because chances are by the time you get to where she's heard the buffalo, it will have moved, you know, with it being 300 miles away.
You need good horses.
Yeah, you need really good horses. But with the fact that Sacagawea, you can put a saddle on her and she's just as fast as a thoroughbred. It's crazy. People don't know that about her. Those long Native American legs. This is fun.
Yeah, but was the jockey within regulation weight limits?
Well, you know, he wasn't too small, but she does need to get like the smallest jockey they have. It's not because she can't support the weight though. It's because she's got a narrow breadth about her. So, you know, most saddles don't really fit on her. You have to have one custom made. Look at all these cactuses. That's a shit ton of cactuses, folks. You might call them cacti. You could do that as well if you wanted to. I wouldn't object. I like this big tall one here. This is the kind of cactus that says, "Hey, watch out, I'm standing here." I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. It's like, wow. What a great fucking canyon. It's gorgeous, and it's also not so overrun with plants that you can't walk through it, which is nice too. And I know there's gold here. I just have to keep my eyes out for a nugget. It's gonna be one the size of my head, right on the ground in front of me. I'm gonna pick it up and be like, "Score!" Then the forest ranger will say, "You can't take that. This is a national park." And I'll be like, "Fuck you!" and I'll run. It'll be cool. You got your running shoes on, Horsemumbler, in case I find a nugget of gold and the forest rangers try to steal it from me?
You bet.
Oh, look, there's horses over there.
When Hello There became 123, he opened up a very special kind of factory and specialized in equine duck alchemy and transmuted size scale scope, but not the finery. Ducks still had feathers, ducks still could float. Horses wore leathers and needed a boat. Ducks would still quack, horses still neigh, although little horses would eat little hay. Horse-sized ducks and duck-sized horses. It's easy to see what the obvious course is. I just gotta get them to join forces in my new petting zoo. Duck-sized horses and horse-sized ducks. If you're scared, just dance around and cluck, 'cause I ain't gonna miss this opportunity to make a buck off this gold mine. His duckies so giant, his horses so small. His new petting zoo was gonna outdraw them all. He put up a sign on the highway on the wall, painted it brightly, said, "Come on and come on." You've never seen ducks remotely so tall. Hello There emerged with his arm full of bread. Crowd of people gathered there outside of his shed. Have a loaf, throw it at a bird's head. Whatever else you do, just make sure it gets fed.
There's horses and hey, it's Sacagawea. They've already got her saddled up. Let's see. Here's a horse. Hi, horsey. Hi. Well, that's nice of you to come right over here. Wow, thanks. You're not camera shy at all. You're a very good horse. I appreciate and value you. Yes, you're a very good horse. You're a wonderful horse. I love you. I like the heck you came over here like that. That's very social of you. Are you an ESFJ horse? What a great horse. Do you see this horse?
Yep.
Come right over to me like that? That's amazing. I'm gonna take some pictures of you, the horse. I'm gonna end this video now. This is like wild and woolly. I feel like prospecting for gold. If you see some spot of dirt that you think looks promising for prospecting for gold, let me know and I'll start digging. No.
Nice,
I mean
nice
real
golden
gold.
fruit.
Real gold. The kind of gold I can fill my teeth with.
Wow. Get a pan, find some water. Or bring some water.
I've got a natural pan. It's called my hand.
Get a pan, scoop some dirt. See what you got.
Because my hand, it's a natural pan. I'm prospecting for gold. Yeah, my pan. It's my natural hand. I'm prospecting for gold. Dig up some dirt. Swish it around. Look, there's some gold that I found. Climb to the very top of the highest peak. We're going to keep walking this way until we get to the very top of it. That'll be exciting for us. Then we'll look down on all you losers and say, look at you down there on the ground. We're up here on top of the mountain. That's what we're going to say. I've got it scripted out already. Horsemumbler, did you study the scripts when we get to the top of the mountain? Your line, if you remember, is, oh my God, Eric, I'm so delighted. Okay, well, I'll coach you on it if need be. Like I was saying, the desert painted butterfly is one that fertilizes a lot of these plants around here. An important species in the ecosystem. Hi, friends. Host Eric here for the Western Lament Harmonica Company. If you're like me, spend a lot of hard, long days in the desert prospecting for gold. And when you're doing that, you and your burro need something to entertain you. That's why the Western Lament Harmonica Company has produced this harmonica, which plays exclusively Western laments. So, if you're like me, out here in the hot desert prospecting for gold 24/7, and get you a harmonica before it's too late for both you and your burro.
Guys, wait!
Anyway, that's when I learned that a plump newborn will actually make a delicious stew. Well, Horsemumbler and I have experienced the splendiferous cacti-laden wonder of Sabino Canyon and the Coronado National Forest. And I gotta tell you, it brings a bead of moisture to my face. It's not a tear to my eye, but it is a bead of sweat because it did involve us getting a little bit of exercise. So we exercise both our aesthetic selves, appreciating nature's beauty. We exercise our physical selves, moving our legs. Horsemumbler exercised his hat-wearing self, protecting himself from the sun. I, on the other hand, am wearing a dumb hat. Doesn't really make sense. However, it's also true that my hat looks better than his hat. So it's kind of a toss-up, I guess.
Bye.